Choices Secureroll is proud to introduce the bespoke, made-to-measure roller garage doors. This is a high-quality design with a 5-year comprehensive warranty. The roller garage door is fully fitted with remote control operation and an intruder alarm. It comes in a wide variety of colours and premium finishes, as well as a vision profile to allow natural light inside. The roller doors have an anti-theft locking system, an integrated brake detection sensor, and it meets the latest European safety standards with CE marking.